Good day everyone. Today we have the Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Ioniq. And before I start my review video, I want to give a big thanks to Hyundai Pampanga for allowing me to review the all-new 2019 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. For more details, see the description box below. This is Patrick TV. Let's go and have a review. Unlock the doors just by pressing this button right here. And after waiting a second, just press it again and it unlocks. Now the Ioniq has two-tone design on the door sidings. See, this one is plastic but made it look like a cloth material, but it is plastic. Automatic seat controls, your seat adjustment, and your recliner right here. You have your two-tone fabric design on the seats. Same two-tone design on the door sidings and the dashboard. Now with the key fob around the vehicle, you could start the accessories just by pressing this button. And once more for ignition. And once you put your foot on the brake and push this to start the engine. So it's now turned on. As you can see, this is a hybrid. Once you press on the gas, this one turns on. There we go. Let's turn on the headlights. That has auto mode as well. And your hazards. Now all windows are electrically powered, only the driver's side windows automatic down. The Ioniq is a compact 5-door liftback manufactured and marketed by Hyundai. While the Ioniq is marketed in other countries in an all-electric setup, the Philippine version only has the hybrid variant. The Ioniq competes with the Toyota Prius and surpasses it in fuel economy. The Ioniq not only improved with hybrid system for best mileage, but also the body was very well engineered, with a very aerodynamic structure that helps lessen drag coefficient. Hood and tailgate were also changed from conventional steel to aluminum for a lighter material but still very durable. The total weight of the Ioniq is around 3,164 pounds, making it slightly heavier than the Toyota Prius. The 1.6-liter Kappa engine was specifically tailored to the hybrid application and is combined with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. And like most electric and hybrid cars, the Ioniq isn't capable of towing a trailer. Overall, the Ioniq is a good addition to our choices of a good hybrid car in the Philippines. What's very good about the Ioniq is its 1.6-liter engine if you need extra power, modern features such as wireless charging, and a price point of only 1.5 million pesos. 1.5 million pesos for a hybrid? That's a true bang for the buck. Let's go and pop the hood. The Ioniq Hybrid has the 1.6-liter Kappa 4-cylinder gasoline engine, and it produces 105 horsepower and 148 Nm of torque. The Ioniq's hybrid electric motor, on the other hand, produces 43.5 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque. If simultaneously used, the gasoline and electric engine combines its output and gives a total of 140 horsepower and 264 Nm of torque, which is a very good number for a hybrid car. The motor can only be paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission with sports mode and has a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. The fuel combined rating is 24.2 kilometers per liter. Let's go and check the inside. So the hybrid motor is now turned on. As you can see, the electric power steering is still working even if the gasoline engine is not working. Air conditioning will of course work as well. Now you have your temperature, dual zone. You have your temperature on the passenger side and temperature on the driver's side. Your fan speed is right here. Auto mode, off, front defogger, rear defogger, AC button, and recircular vents. Now right here, I believe is a wireless charger. You can see the gasoline engine is now turned on. You could hear it from the outside. And this one turns on automatically, especially when the battery or the hybrid motor needs some power. Of course, when it is now recharged, the gasoline engine automatically turns off to save you some gas. Now you have your two power outlets right here, one on that side and on the other side. You have your USB input right here and auxiliary. You have your 6-speed dual clutch transmission with sport mode, so you could shift manually via the gear shifter up and down. Reverse camera. And on the head unit, quite basic actually, you have your radio. Of course, you can seek your tracks, your media, your phone. You could connect via Bluetooth, and of course, contact your contacts wirelessly, and of course, play music wirelessly. So here's the different setups. So of course, it is also touchscreen. Your sound, date and time, Bluetooth, system, screensaver, and display off. You also have your DVD slot right here, and you could also have the time displayed and the date today. And I believe it's not 2020 today. But the car looks 2020, to be honest. Now this one has a plastic material on the steering wheel, side extensions for more grip. And you have your volume controls for the radio, your selector, mute, different modes, accept and decline calls, and of course you have your cruise control right here, and this one on the left side of the right hand side controls. You have your settings for the gauge. So as you can see, there's the hybrid motor right there, and it has the battery indicator. So it's now currently on 2 bars. So you got a lot of settings. You got lights, welcome light. There's a lot of tweaking right here. Wheel could also be adjusted. Just pull this tab right down, so it is telescopic, and up and down. And right over there is your meter, how you use the vehicle. So it could be an econo mode, could be charging, or you could use the power, depending on what you want. Battery level is right over there. And you have your range, 24 kilometers. Sunshade holder. illumination light for your gauge, so you could tone it down or maximize the light capability of the vehicle. Illumination lights on the inside is part of that as well, as you can see. Traction control, your fuel door, and your 12 volts battery reset. And this one doesn't have handbrake, it has a foot brake on the left hand side. USB input for charging. Nice. Some pocket in here and a cup holder. One more in here with your ashtray. Now you have tweeter speakers on the door sidings, so you can see one on each side to give you that max treble. Cup holders and some pockets in here as well. Well, let's go and check out the rear seats. Now in the back portion of the door, as you can see, you have the very similar design on the front door sidings. See, this one made it look like it's fabric, but it is plastic. Two-tone design, speakers, and your cup holder. Two-tone design on the seats as well. Let's go and hop in. Now I must say the seats on the back are very comfortable. It hugs you tightly, as this one is inclined downwards, as you can see. Armrest and cup holders. Air conditioning vents on the back side of the vehicle. And here's the interior cabin, or the front cabin, of the 2019 Hyundai Ioniq. Very modern and very hybrid looking, as you can see. Now you have your side curtain airbags as well, right over there as well. Just a nice safety feature. Let's go and check out the cargo area. Electric switch. So you have a similar hatchback like style, or hatchback style, as the Ford Focus, the Mark II. So it goes downwards right here and parallel on the back part. Spare tire on the back. Massive cargo space on the back, as you can see. Some pockets in here. One on the other side as well. So I believe you could also put a cover in here. This is its slot. Goes right in here. Just by pulling this tab right here, which I will show you, for your items on the back. I hope you enjoyed the full tour review of the 2019 Hyundai Ioniq. There's a lot more to come, so please subscribe, share, and like my videos. This is Patrick TV, signing out.